When it comes to maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your dental equipment, ensuring proper service and repair of your handpieces is paramount. Among the most trusted brands in the industry, A-dec stands out for its reliability and performance. For practitioners relying on A-dec handpieces, timely and efficient repair services are essential to keep their practices running smoothly. That's where Repair.Dental steps in. At Repair.Dental, we specialize in the service and repair of A-dec dental handpieces across all models, including high-speed, low-speed, and electric variants. Repair.Dental delivers reliable and fast results, ensuring minimal downtime for your practice. Here are some of the most popular A-dec handpiece models that we service, like A-dec high-speed models like 896, 898, TE95, TE97 and other series. Then we have A-dec low-speed models like AC20, AM20, AM25, AP20 and other series. A-dec electric models like WA99, WG99, WE99, WG99 and others. Whether it's a high-speed, low-speed, or electric handpiece, Repair.Dental is equipped to provide comprehensive repair and maintenance services to keep your equipment in top condition. Taking care of your models by providing cleaning and maintenance and timely repair with Repair.Dental. For any repair or quick solution, do contact Repair.Dental or contact us at 1-855-533-3399. Do like, share and comment down below.